Hello everyone, this is Joe with nCLOSE. Today we are going over the assembly of the Mini A77. When you get your module out of the box, remove these two screws. Then on the bottom of the module, you'll see a slot here. Lift up slightly until it's exposed here on the sides. Then pull the top this way. Now going over the A77s, if you have the one that has the rounded back versus the straight back for the battery, you're going to want to use these two adhesives that came in the box. You need to take the adhesive off one side and stack it. Take off the next strip. Then you'll see on the bottom module there's a little square cutout. Locate the adhesive inside that square cutout. Take your A77 with the rounded back, place it inside. Then for the top, you'll notice there's two snaps here on the top side. Locate those in the front. Once those are located, run your finger down the side to snap the module together. After that's done, put these screws back in place. Then connect it to your iPad. And there's your Mini A77.